Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the AERVY WR-302S Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the AERVY WR-302S Wi-Fi range extender box, you will usually find the Wi-Fi range extender device, a quick installation or user guide, and sometimes a warranty card. The extender is the main device used to boost your existing Wi-Fi signal, while the guide helps you follow the setup steps easily. Plug the AERVY WR-302S extender into a wall power socket. It is best to plug it in the same room as your router during the setup. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the device to power on. You will notice the power LED light turning on. When the light becomes stable, not blinking, it means the extender is ready for setup. Go to your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. It usually has the label WPS or an icon. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. This starts the router's signal pairing process. Within those 2 minutes, go to the AERVY WR-302S extender. Press the WPS button on the extender once. The WPS or signal LED light will start blinking. This means the extender is trying to connect to your router automatically. Now wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the extender communicates with the router. It copies the router's Wi-Fi name and password automatically. When the process finishes, the Wi-Fi or signal LED light becomes solid, stable. This indicates the extender has successfully connected to the router. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.